once the questions are generated in the previous stage, so we will be conducting the exam. So for that, we will be going for Conduct Exam tab. So there, we will be clicking on Conduct Exam. So here a pop-up comes, window pop-up comes. So there, you can see like coding questions and MCQ questions. We will be selecting which was generated in the previous stage. So you will be selecting which other questions are needed. Then we will click on Configure Exam. So there, you need to fill exam details and selecting the group and what other question paper should be. Here, I will be mentioning the exam name and which other company you guys gonna hit. For example, Amazon. You will be specifying accordingly and you will be specifying how much time you want to give for coding and MCQ. Here, I will be mentioning 60 questions. Already, I have selected coding questions and MCQ questions. So then this is an optional. Either you can select or deselect the interview. So once you want the interview to be happened, so here you will be mentioning the interview duration. Maximum up to 30 minutes starts from 1. I will be selecting for a 20 minutes exam. So here I will be mentioning the topic. So Python in MBA, or you can mention the job description in data analysis. So you will be mentioning how you need as per your, and you will be mentioning the expertise level you want to train your students. So once that is done, you will be mentioning the groups. So once the groups are selected, so the students will be highlighted. And once you click on the conduct exam, so the concerned students will receive the emails. So once the students receive the emails, they can write the exam. And as well as, so for example here, for Damini, for example, if you can see, so you can view result directly here. So here you will be knowing what are the reports. For example, you will be downloading the report and you will be viewing. So accordingly, the reports are cumulative reports are here. If you want for an individual report, you will be going for the report section. There you can see the each and individual sections accordingly.